Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that 2018 is already over and it's 2019. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your support throughout 2018. Whether you commented, liked, or subscribed to my channel, it really means so much to me and I'm so excited to see what 2019 brings. Today I've got a mani to celebrate the new year using Maniology's Winter Glee stamping starter kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be using Maniology's Winter Glee stamping starter kit. This plate is the Sparkling Celebrations plate from the kit, and it has some numbers and some fireworks that we're going to be using. I'm going to start by applying a base coat and then a black polish to all of my nails. Then I'm going to apply Etch Perfection all around my nail because we're going to be using the full size stamping images and it's going to make cleanup so much easier. This gold stamping polish is also from the kit and it's called It's Lit. I'm going to be using the full size firework images. This one is on the bottom right of the plate. I'm going to apply the stamping polish, scrape it off, and pick it up with the monocle stamper. Then I'm going to stamp the image onto my nail with the gap in the center so that we can stamp the numbers onto my nail later. On my next nail, I'm going to stamp the firework image from the top left of the plate and alternate between the two for the rest of my nails. One little trick that I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the stamp 180 degrees, so even though I'm using the same image, it's going to look a little different than the other nails. Then with a pair of tweezers, I'm going to remove the Etch Perfection from around my nail. For the numbers, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to apply the gold polish, scrape it, and pick it up using the monocle stamper. Then I'm going to stamp the numbers right in the center of my nail. And I'm just going to finish off by applying a fast drying top coat. And you're done! Here's the finished design. That was the perfect stamping kit for the new year, and if you want to purchase your own kit, at the time of recording this video, it is currently on sale for just $10, which is an amazing deal. And if it's not, you can always use my code CARAMEL10 for 10% off your purchase or $5 a Mani by Me subscription box. If you missed my full review of the Maniology Winter Glee starter kit, you can click your screen or the link in the description below. And if you missed my tradition, which is my Pac-Man New Year's nails, I'll also leave that video on your screen and in the description below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!